Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. As you can tell by the title, this will be a balcony makeover. I live in a condo and I have a little balcony where I like to spend time. At the beginning of the summer, I know I wanted to revamp it, give it a fresh look, but because of the pandemic, I haven't been able to. I know you can go and purchase things online, but for these types of purchases, I like to go in store to physically see and feel what's available to me. I live in Montreal, and in the beginning of July, when the stores open, I went in store and grabbed a few things to revamp the balcony. So I'm not going to chew your ears up much longer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Here's a little before. So the first step was for me to remove the furniture from the balcony, so I went ahead and removed the chairs and the planters to have more room to clean the floor properly. Now I'm going in with the broom to clean the floor. I currently have a big 6 by 9 feet indoor-outdoor rug that I got from Walmart. It's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about the rain. It's also reversible. So I wanted something quick and affordable to revamp the floor, so that's why I went ahead with this rug. And you can see that I cut some of the rug off to fit the right corner of the balcony. Now I'm cleaning the balcony doors. I'm sweeping the railing, not sure if that's what it's called, with the broom, just to make sure that I collect all the dust. I struggled to get everything out, so I ended up going in with a vacuum cleaner at the end. Now onto the windows. I don't know if you're able to tell, but I was sweating, you guys. I don't know why I chose the hottest day ever to do this cleanup, but it is what it is. I got this little fence from the dollar store. They come in parts that you attach together very easily. I installed this fence because of Loki. When he was a puppy, he was very small and he'd go onto the balcony. He'd always lean over to see what the downstairs neighbors or people on the street were up to. And my overprotective mommy side thought it was a good idea to just keep it. So here I'm just using some zip tie to secure the fence better. Afterwards, I just went in with some scissors to cut the excess. Now it's time to put the furniture back and clean them. got these faux plants from Réno-Depot. I don't know about you guys, but I do not have a green thumb. Although I can appreciate how pretty real plants are, I thought it was a better option for me to go ahead with these faux plants. I got these pillows from Club Piscine last year. I chose red for the pop of color. This furniture set is from Club Piscine as well and was gifted to me by my aunt as a birthday gift last summer. This little stool is from Walmart. I got it to put some plants on and add some dimension to the decor, if that makes sense. I can also use it as extra seating. I got this little pot from Marshall's Homesense. I really liked the little tribal vibes and I thought it was very cute. The faux plant is from Ikea. Again, I thought it was a very good option for me. I got this lantern from Walmart to give the balcony a cozy vibe. Still following the cozy vibe, I added those little lamps to the side of the balcony. I figured this would create a very relaxed mood at night. I put those flowers and citronella candle to decorate the table, and both are from the dollar store. So here you are, here's the final look. I'm happy with how it turned out. I think it's cozy and not cluttered as I don't have a lot of room on the balcony. I added these gorgeous boho throw pillows from Marshall Homesense to add some texture and to complete the cozy, relaxing vibe that I was going for. I'm really glad my cousin convinced me to get them. I added this serving tray to stage the reveal. I got it from Bouclair. When I saw it, I knew I had to get it. I loved the red pop of color from the flowers and they go very well with my pillows. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And comment down below your favorite accessory. Also, stick around to see a little clip of the balcony at night.